Hello guys, I'm Rahul Kumar here. So in last class, we have discussed about that what is profile in Salesforce. So we have discussed about profile and now we are going to discuss about permission set. That what is permission set? Okay, so to control object level security, to control field level security, we have profiles and permission set. So like a profile, a permission set is also a collection of settings and permission that determine what a user can do. Permission set includes some of the same permissions and setting that you can find in the profile. Like we can control here object permission, field permission, user permission, tab setting, app setting, Apex class access, and Visual Force page access. Okay, we can control these all with the help of permission set. Then question is that, so why we have profile and permission set both here? When we will control all the things with the help of profile, then why we are going to use permission set? So the difference between these two is that user can have only one profile at a time, but they can have many permission set there. This means you can use profile to grant the minimum permission and settings that every type of user need. And then we can use the permission set to grant additional permissions without changing anyone profile. Okay. For example, suppose that I'm team manager in one team and we have 5 members. Okay. So now in next week, I'm going on leave. So I need to provide access to one user that user A can do some functionality that I can do. Okay. So if I will go to provide those permission in profile, so all those 5 members, they will also get the access. Same access they will get here. Okay. But I don't want to provide access to all. I need to provide only access to user A. Okay. So what I will do, I will create a permission set, and in that one, I will provide those extra permission here. And then I will provide that permission set to user A only. Okay. So we are going to provide some extra permissions for temporary or long-term period to specific user here. So we can create a permissions, and in permission you do not need to provide the existing permission here. So for permission you have to go to search for permission in quick find, or you can go directly under users, and here we have permission set. Okay, so here you will go to create a new permission set. We have already permission set here, but if you know that in this permission set what are the permissions we have already, then you can clone only. And if you don't know about this permission set, then you need to create a fresh permission set, blank permission set. So I'm going to click on new, and then you need to provide the label, then API name, then the description. Okay, suppose that I'm going to create a permission set for sales manager, and then API name you will get here and sales underscore manager, and then you can provide the description that why we are going to create this permission set. Okay, we have one new functionality here, that is session activation required. Okay, so if you will go to active this session activation, so what will happen, you will also define that from this time to this time I'm going to provide access to this user. So suppose that I'm going to provide access to 1 week. So after 1 week, this permission set will automatically deleted from that particular user. Okay, so that user will not get access. And then you need to select the type of user who will use this permission set. So in this license, you are getting here none. So when you are going to select none, So it means any type of user, any type of user license, permission set license, they can access this permission set. And when you will go to select a specific user license, so that user license user can only access this one. And when you will go to select a specific permission set license, then that permission set license users can only access this one. So you will go to select from here, user license, you have these all user license here, and then you have permission set license. So you can select permission set license here. Okay, so I'm working here on Salesforce user license, so I will go to select this one and then click on save. And after that, whatever we have discussed here for object permission, field permission, user permission, and these all things, you will get option here. Assign app, assign connected app, object setting, app permissions, Apex class access, Visual Force page access, external data source access. So you can go there and you can define your permissions and setting in this one. Okay, so how we will go to create a permission set, how we will go to assign the permissions. So for that one, we will create a new video, and in that one you will get all details that how we are going to provide access to object and how we are going to control the field level security here. Okay, so thank you very much for seeing this video.